What's good, and welcome back to Facing Forward. And today, guys, we have something I've been wanting for so long, and let me show you what it is. So this is the chocolate chip cookie, guys, and this is what I've been waiting on. You all know I like chocolate. This is the peanut butter cookie. I don't like peanut butter, but yeah, I don't like peanut butter. Wait. Never mind. Hold on. That was kind of good. Okay. All right, peanut butter. Okay, peanut butter. Oatmeal raisin. One of my favorite type of cookies. This is good. You can taste all the ingredients. The butter, cinnamon. Nice. This is a white chocolate macadamia. It tastes just like that one, but that sugar take it up a notch. Okay. Yeah, I can't get over how soft and warm they are. I think this is the sugar cookie. Yeah. Warm. Hold on. Okay. It's a sugar cookie. Yeah. So guys, this one is the salted caramel, and it got all messed up because it's like stuck to the paper. So that's why it looks like it. Ten out of 10 out of 10, fam. All right.